If you were to tell me that we're halfway through September, bro, I would not believe you. What the fuck is this brow mood? But hey, on the bright side, that means we can start doing fall makeup. What's fall makeup, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's fall makeup, just spoken slightly louder for some reason. No, but it's like the perfect excuse to pull out the orangey blush. And I mean that with my whole chest, like you want to look kind of like Donald Trump. I don't want to do too much to the eyes, so we're gonna go in with this brown. Also gonna put that same shade underneath. I think on the outer edge I want to go in with this dark purple. I think that would just be so lovely right here. Then I'm gonna go in with smoke here, just on the inner corner. This is already so pretty on its own. It probably doesn't need anything per se, but I really want intense glitter right here. I applied my highlighter and all that, and I kind of feel like the blush kind of disappeared on me, so I'm gonna re-intensify it. Just, you know, I feel like that's a lot of what makeup is just layering things. And lastly, a fall lip. This particular shade is called Cyber by MAC. It's probably one of my favorite lipsticks, but I don't use it a lot. You know? I think now I'm just gonna do some fake freckles and like maybe one gem or two. And then I will be back with the result. What do you guys think? I'm very excited about this. Like, not to toot my own horn or anything. Toot toot. I slipped. Goodbye.